Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica, guys, and today I'm gonna make some cabbage, steamed cabbage with white rice, guys. So those are the powder seasoning that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use some turmeric for some coloring for the rice, so I'm gonna make yellow rice. And here is my carrots that I'm gonna put in there in the cabbage, my fresh seasoning, which is onion, garlic, thyme, sweet pepper and tomato. And right here I have some squash, so I'm gonna steam this also. Here is my cabbage. I already washed and cut it up just because of time, for time's sake. Over here is the rice, guys. So now I'm gonna wash the rice, guys, and get ready, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for subscribing to my channel. Please continue to subscribe, like and comment. And guys, please put your notification bell on, so whenever time I upload a video, you will receive that video, guys. So come along with me, guys, as I make some steamed cabbage with white rice or yellow rice, because I'm going to use some turmeric to give some color to the rice. Alright, guys. Yes, guys, so for the rice, guys, I'm going to use some grace cock soup to season up this, guys. Because I'm making a, like a seasoned rice. I'm gonna put some of this in there for a little tangy peppery taste. Not too much, guys. And I'm gonna put a little bit of turmeric, guys. So I'm making like yellow rice. So that's why I'm putting the turmeric instead of buying those stuff that is already made. I'm gonna put some coconut oil, guys. Because I don't use butter. I use butter, but not that often. I try not to use butter. So this is some coconut oil. So I just put everything, guys. So the cock soup mix, guys, have salt in it. So I'm not gonna add any salt in this because the powder season that I put in here already have salt. So you don't need to put salt unless you like a lot of salt. But for me, I'm not putting no salt, guys. So there you go, guys. The rice is all seasoned up. Turn on my stove and I'm gonna let that cook, guys. Yes, guys, so there you go. Yellow rice using turmeric, guys, and cock soup mix for seasoning. Alright, guys, so let's go do the cabbage, guys. Okay, guys, so in this pot I'm gonna do the zucchini. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of water, guys, and I'm gonna put also a little bit of coconut oil with some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, just for taste, guys. So as soon as this boil up, guys, I'm gonna add the zucchini because I want it to steam. So I'm gonna let it boil up first before I add the zucchini, guys. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna do my cabbage, but first I'm gonna put some oil in the pot and I'm gonna cook up the carrots a little bit before I add the cabbage, guys. So I'm gonna put some carrots and garlic. Okay, so the carrots take a little bit longer to cook. So guys, I'm gonna cook this up first before I add the cabbage. Alright, guys, so see you back, guys, as soon as the carrots start to get tender. I'm gonna add my fresh seasoning and then I'm gonna add the cabbage. So guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. Please give me a like so that YouTube will know that you like my content, guys, and try to push my videos forward, guys. So guys, please subscribe, comment. I appreciate your support. So let this get tender, and after that I'm gonna add the cabbage. So over here, guys, the water is boiling. So I'm gonna add the zucchini. everything wash and cut, guys. So I'm gonna add some Maggi, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning for taste. So guys, now taste. Let me see if this need any more salt. I cook low sodium, guys, so I don't lose a lot of salt. Okay, that tastes good. And I need no salt because the Maggi all-purpose season have salt already, guys. So you don't need to add that if you use Maggi all-purpose season. Okay, guys, let's check the carrot. Woo! Guys, the coconut oil smells so good, guys. Mercy. This coconut oil smells so good. So now I'm gonna add the other seasoning, guys. So guys, I use this coconut oil, Garden of Life. I'm not getting paid to say that, guys, but I'm just showing the kind of oil that I use that smells so good. Alright, guys, so now I'm gonna add the first season, which is tomato, scallion, onion, and thyme, and sweet pepper. So the cabbage is almost, the carrot is not hard, it's tender. So now I'm going to add my powder seasoning before I put in the cabbage. So that's the Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to put some paprika. Guys, I am from the Caribbean, we don't use measurement. Most of us don't use measurement. I have no idea. And I'm going to put a little bit of powder mix. This is another powder mix. Alright, guys. So now I'm gonna stir this up, and then I'm gonna add the cabbage, guys. There you go, guys. So I'm gonna cover this and let it cook down a little bit before I start to stir it, guys, because you want it to be a little bit soft first before you stir it, because I don't want it to spill all over the stove, guys. Alright, guys, so I'll check you back, guys, as soon as this starts to steam. Yes, guys, so there you go, guys. The rice is cooking, taking on the color of the turmeric, so it's gonna be yellow rice. Okay, guys, let's check on the cabbage. Yes, guys, I don't like my cabbage too soft, so I'm just gonna turn this up, stir it up. Yes, guys, so there you go. Cabbage is steaming, nice and pretty, guys. All those different color between the pepper and the carrots. Alright, guys. Catch you back, guys, as soon as this almost finished. Okay, guys, let's check on this zucchini. So guys, now I'm gonna turn this off and cover it and let it finish steam, because I don't want it to cook too much. I want it to have that crunchiness to it. Alright, guys, so there you go, guys. Let's come up close so you could see. So I'm gonna just cover that and let it continue to steam. Yes, guys, so there you go, guys. The cabbage is done. So guys, I don't want to cook it anymore because I don't want it to get too soft. Because once you turn off this and cover it, it's gonna still steam it with the heat. So I'm gonna turn this off. So guys, there you go guys, the color of the cabbage. That's a nice color, come from the carrots and the tomato. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. Put your notification bell on so when I upload a video you will receive it. Alright guys, so that's you go, that's steamed cabbage with carrots and fresh seasoning guys. So I'll be turning this off. Okay guys, let's see the zucchini. There you go guys, the zucchini is steamed. So this, you know, once I turn off the stove and I cover this, it finished steam by itself. So there you go guys, the zucchini is finished. So the only thing left to do is the rice guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Okay guys, let's check on the rice. So guys, you see you could use turmeric to make yellow rice. And then you could put some all-purpose powder seasoning in it to give it a nice taste or a nice flavor. So guys, there you go. Rice is still steaming guys. Alright guys, so there you go, yellow rice. So you could use turmeric as I said to make yellow rice. And you just had some noodle mix or you had some all-purpose seasoning for taste guys. Alright guys, check it back guys when the rice is all done. Okay guys, so there goes the rice all finished. So guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. Thank you for your support. So that's yellow rice with, I use Grace soup mix to season it with some coconut oil and turmeric guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna share myself a plate guys so you could see what the food look like on the plate. Okay guys, and then guys, I'm gonna have the cabbage. There you go guys. So that's it guys. There you go guys. So thank you so much for watching guys. If you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. And put your notification bell on so when I upload a video you will be the first to receive it guys. Look at those beautiful color in the rice, in the cabbage. And to top it off, yellow rice made with turmeric and Grace season mix or Grace noodle mix. Alright guys, so guys, take care of yourself until next time and God bless you. So guys, that's it. So yesterday I make some steamed fish guys, and there is a piece of the steamed fish from yesterday and zucchini, cabbage and the yellow rice. So guys, you don't have to throw out your leftovers. You can just put them in your fridge, warm them up and have them with dinner. Yes guys, so that's it. Yes guys, the steamed fish with the rice and the cabbage is the bonus guys. Right? Okay guys, enjoy!